India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in healthcare and patient rehabilitation, CTS offers the trade of Physiotherapy Technician. From government hospitals and private clinics to rehabilitation centers and sports medicine facilities, trained physiotherapy technicians play a vital role every single day. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, equipment, and real workshop environments. Students learn human anatomy and physiology, musculoskeletal assessment, therapeutic exercise techniques, electrotherapy, hydrotherapy, patient handling and mobility aids, and practical rehabilitation support using industry-relevant tools and workshop training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across government and private hospitals, physiotherapy clinics, rehabilitation centers, sports medicine facilities, old age homes, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.